The countdown has officially begun. DJI has confirmed that its next-gen action camera is landing soon, and excitement is sky-high. But things got even more intense when well-known tech leaker Igor Bogdanov dropped a revealing clip on X, giving the world its first full look at the upcoming beast. DJI had already teased the Action 6 earlier, but these new visuals prove something big. This isn't a light refresh. This is a bold leap forward built for creators who push their gear to the limit. From the first glance, the Osmo Action 6 feels different. The design looks more polished and refined, with a slightly larger yet slimmer body that brings a more professional vibe. Sharper edges, a deeper lens housing, and a taller frame suggest better handling and balance. Even subtle cutouts near the record button hint at smarter heat control or upgraded microphones. Clear signs that DJI has been paying attention to user feedback. But what really catches the eye is the shift in identity. Gone are the sporty red accents. Instead, DJI embraces a stealthy matte black aesthetic. Clean, minimal, and creator-focused. This camera isn't trying to look adventurous anymore. It's aiming to look cinematic. So welcome to Technify. Today we're diving deep into everything revealed so far about the DJI Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be the most refined, matured, and creator-focused evolution in DJI's action camera lineup. From everything revealed through leaks, teasers, and early hands-on glimpses, it's clear that DJI is not trying to reinvent what an action camera is. It's trying to perfect it. And the Action 6 appears to be the culmination of everything creators have been waiting for. The first thing that stands out is the camera's entirely refreshed design language. DJI has stepped away from the sporty, adventurous look of its past models and embraced something much more premium and minimalistic. The Action 6 now carries a sleek, matte black finish with sharper edges and a slightly taller body that instantly gives it a professional presence. This shift in aesthetic signals that DJI wants the Action 6 to be seen not just as a rugged outdoor tool, but as a compact filmmaking companion for serious creators. From the deeper lens housing to the subtle openings near the record button, which likely hint at smarter heat dissipation or redesigned microphones, the camera feels engineered with precision. But design is only the beginning. The Action 6's most significant leap lies inside. The introduction of a new 1/1.1-inch image sensor marks one of the biggest internal upgrades the lineup has ever seen. This larger sensor brings improved clarity, richer dynamic range, and far better low-light performance, allowing creators to capture crisp, cinematic footage even during nighttime adventures or indoor shoots. Paired with a variable aperture lens, the Action 6 suddenly becomes far more flexible in changing lighting conditions. Whether you're filming fast-paced action under the sun or recording a moody vlog after dusk, this camera appears ready for anything. Stabilization, one of DJI's strongest areas, is rumored to get even smarter. With improved algorithms and hardware tuning, the Action 6 is expected to deliver smoother output during running, biking, or handheld walking shots. This could turn it into a go-to tool not only for athletes and travelers, but also for content creators who rely on stable footage for professional projects. DJI's continued refinement of color science also promises more natural tones, especially in skin and environmental highlights, one of the most requested improvements from Action 5 Pro users. When you stack it next to the Action 5 Pro, the differences become more meaningful. The Action 5 Pro was a tough and dependable camera, built to survive harsh temperatures and wet conditions. Its battery life and recording capabilities made it one of DJI's most practical action cameras to date. But the Action 6 aims to surpass it not just with durability, but with intelligence and versatility. Rumored improvements in higher resolution capture, extended recording time, better thermal performance, and potential smartwatch or Garmin-style connectivity give the Action 6 a forward-thinking identity. It feels designed for creators who want their camera to work seamlessly with their digital ecosystem. In a nutshell, the Osmo Action 6 doesn't abandon its roots, it elevates them. It keeps the rugged nature of its predecessors, but introduces new layers of sophistication that appeal to filmmakers, vloggers, adventure travelers, and solo creators. With its refined build, larger sensor, enhanced stabilization, and thoughtful engineering, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be the most complete and creator-centric action camera DJI has ever produced. So that's the full breakdown of everything brewing in the world of DJI's upcoming action and pocket cameras. The Osmo Action 6 represents DJI's most refined and creator-focused vision yet. Bold design changes, a larger sensor, smarter stabilization, and a clear shift toward professional content creation. The rugged next-gen Action 6 built for high-energy adventures, or the sleek new Pocket 4 designed for cinematic storytelling in your palm. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is Technify, and the next big leap in creative gear is just getting started.